Good day to everybody. You're watching Cryptex.net, actual news about the world of digital assets. Let's go! Yuga Labs will replace the logo of its Bored Ape Kennel Club collection of NFT following accusations of copying the Easy Drawing Guide's images. According to Yuga Labs co-founder Greg Solano, a freelancer worked on the creation of the logo. The studio approached him and Easy Drawing Guides to address the issue of intellectual property infringement. The investigations of the incident continues. Previously, digital artist J. Colombo noticed that the logo looks like a step-by-step wolf skull drawing tutorial from Easy Drawing Guides. They released the image in April 2021, while Bored Ape Kennel Club came out in June of that year. Yep, the plagiarism has reached the NFT. Well, the human factor has not been cancelled. And we move on to the next news. Today, on February 21st, FTX Japan will resume the withdrawal of digital assets and fiat. This was stated on the page of Bitcoin exchange. The process will be carried out through a Liquid Japan platform. Clients with the assets on the exchange must confirm the balance and the account. FTX Japan's representatives have warned the withdrawals may take some time due to the high volume of the requests. According to them, users are informed about the procedure. In the beginning of February 2022, FTX took over the Japanese crypto exchange and related entities. In the summer, Sam Bankman-Fried's company announced the launch of a local branch, renaming Liquid to FTX Japan KK. In November, Liquid suspended withdrawals after FTX Group filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Yes, the collapse of FTX will be remembered for a long time by many investors and those who were damaged after its collapse. But let's hope that justice will prevail. And we continue. BIS calculated the losses of the majority of retail Bitcoin investors. From 2015 to 2022, the average retail investor lost about half of the funds invested in Bitcoin, despite the increase in its price during this period. Analysts of the Bank for International Settlements came to such conclusion. It's based on the analysis of loading and applications activity for crypto platforms and on-chain data. The peak of interest for Bitcoin occurred when its price reached a historical maximum, near $69,000. The average daily number of the active users worldwide grew from 100,000 to more than 30 million people. Crisis moments in 2022, like collapse of Terra and FTX, aggravated the situation in this category of market participants. The whales used the liquidity provided by retail investors to exit position. The BIS once again called for global coordinations in the regulations of cryptocurrencies, warning the risks of increased side effect on the global financial system. Among the proposed options are the containment of the development of the industry, its regulations, or combinations of both. I cannot disagree that the control of the industry is one or another degree is still needed. After all, this way we will be a little better insured against losses. Let me remind you that we offer you the services of our exchange on Cryptex.net. It's safe with us and we guarantee 24/7 support. But let's get back to the news. Former FTX CTO Nishat Singh plans to plead guilty to fraud for his role in the collapsed exchange. Singh discusses a possible deal with prosecutors that has not been set yet. In December, two other associates of Sam Bankman-Fried, ex-CEO of Alameda Research Carolyn Ellison and co-founder of the exchange Gary Wang, pleaded guilty to charges related to the collapse of FTX. Bankman-Fried did not make a deal with the investigation. Singh created the platform software and played an important role in the FTX's day-to-day operations. He was part of Bankman-Fried's inner circle. The FTX's ex-CTO was involved in making political donations. Since 2020, Singh has donated $9.3 million to Democratic candidates. He also received a loan of hundreds of millions of dollars from Alameda. In January, Singh met the prosecutors to give extrajudicial testimony. Such sessions grant a person limited immunity, but do not necessarily lead to an agreement with the investigation. Like dominoes, those who involved in the collapse of FTX are starting to roll in. After all, as the proverb says, the cloth is closer to the body, or the sense of the justice has not completely fallen asleep in the human mind. It doesn't matter, because the truth will always come to the surface, and this must be remembered. Take care of yourself and be vigilant. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all for today. You've watched Cryptex.net. Thank you all for your attention, and see you soon.